Listen, I would like to add a few more guards to you during the day.
Why?
Because Connie is offering money for your head.
Offer money for my head?
Yes.
I must be doing something right.
You'll see the line, or the line that's drawn between. See the blind man shooting at the world.
Can she feed the children? Fix them up when they're sick? She do that?
Ling.
She's hired.
If you've been bad, oh Lord, I bet you have, and you've not been hit by a flying lead. You better close your eyes.
Hey, can I take a look at that gun? Say she's jamming on you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, that's because she's full of dirt. Dirt and grit. You gotta strip her down once a day. Keep her well oiled. No wonder she's jamming on you.